the best measure of a stock and whether you should invest in it, and of course you should really look at the portfolio level, but if you're going to look at the individual stock, then CROCI, cash return on capital invested, and you better have a look at my detailed article about this. It's on my blog at alpeshpatel.com. Find the blog, go there. Why is CROCI so important in terms of generating returns? Well, we know from Deutsche Bank and Goldman Sachs Wealth Management and their own research that companies in the top quartile by cash return on capital invested generate as a basket of stocks 30% per annum. Not every stock in the basket and not every basket every year, but on average it's 30% per annum as a basket. That's why the basket and the portfolio is the most important thing, and why when we're creating portfolios and model portfolios for our clients, we always ensure the CROCI box is ticked, amongst other factors as well. Now, why would cash return on capital invested be so very important? Well, first of all, if you think about it, companies only have three sets of accounts: P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. The cash return on capital invested is actually saying quite a lot of different things, and it's feeding very often into both the balance sheet and the P&L, because it's the engine and driver for profits, and profits at the end of a year then will go and sit on your balance sheet unless paid out in dividends. So they're really making the company cheaper. They're also tending to show growth, and they're feeding the engine of profitability, all from one ratio. Now, I want you to think of the ratio like this. And it comes back to Warren Buffett, an example he gave with See's Candy, the sweet company that he had invested in for so many years. And people said to him, "Are you crazy? Why would you invest in See's Candy?" And he said the machines with which they make those sweets, these massive steel machines which have been around for about 100 years, and they produce these sweets. The kids come in, they put the cash on the counter, they eat the sweets, and they come back the next day, they put the cash on the counter, eat the sweets. In other words, high cash return on capital invested. Capital invested, the machine, make one investment, the cash keeps coming. Think of it, in other words, a phrase you all know and are familiar with: cash cow. That's the kind of business you want, a cash cow of a business. What's the opposite of a cash cow, or a license to print money? Those sweets coming out of that machine, or a license to print money. What's the opposite? An airline, which is why Warren Buffett always famously said, if ever I feel like buying an airline stock, please put me in a dark room or call 911. By the way, we've gone into a lot of detail in this blog on CROCI, the cash return on capital invested, and the details have gone from articles on from Deutsche Bank and other sources, academic sources as well. So you can really deep dive into it if you wish. And if you're more the kind of, no, I just need to get on with it, tell me why it's important, what else should I link it with? Well, what we've also done is included other metrics which it sits rather well with and complements rather than duplicating. Things such as the Sortino, the Kalmar, which will give you some idea of the ulcer you might get from a volatile company. The PEG ratio, a different, more simplistic way of measuring valuation as well. So you can always use a belt and braces approach. Once you've done all that and you've got your basket of stocks, buy and hold and sit back. Do not try and anticipate every move. Do not get panicked. Do not get bored. That's what we're all about. If you want help managing your portfolio, and you want a more systematic approach, a more academic-driven approach, a proven approach with all the research behind it and evidence behind it, go to alpeshpatel.com or have a look at this blog, and it'll educate you in short order. Thank you very much.